As the world watches major metropolises, beneath our feet and in the most remote mines, China is deploying a fleet of mechanical monsters that defy the laws of physics. It is no longer just about building fast, it is about 5,000-ton machines, trucks that look like buildings, and excavators that could swallow a house in a single bite. Today, we are going to explore the 8 most brutal Chinese construction machines ever created, from the largest mining truck in the world to the tunnel boring machine that is devouring the Yangtze riverbed. Get ready, because number 1 is not just a machine, it is an army changing the map of the world. Number 8. Zhonghai TBM tunnel boring machine. The Zhonghai is currently the largest diameter shield tunnel boring machine in operation globally, reaching 16.64 meters, with a total weight of 5,000 tons and a length of 145 meters. This machine is a feat of mechanical engineering. Its cutter head weighs 460 tons and, when positioned vertically, equals the height of a 6-story building. Its current mission is the construction of the Haitai Tunnel under the Yangtze River. The technical challenge is massive. It must advance through complex layers of silt and sand under extreme hydrostatic pressure. The machine is designed to maintain trajectory accuracy with a margin of error of barely 1 centimeter, advancing at a steady pace of between 12 and 16 meters per day. It is estimated to complete its 9-kilometer section of continuous excavation by the year 2028, without ever emerging to the surface during the process. Number 7. XCMG XDE 440. The XDE 440 holds the title of the world's largest rear-wheel drive mining truck, designed to operate in the most demanding open-pit mines with a nominal payload capacity of 440 metric tons. It exceeds 9 meters in height and 10 meters in width, dimensions that turn it into a massive mobile structure. To manage its movement, it integrates a Chinese-developed alternating current (AC) electric drive system, optimizing fuel efficiency and reducing operating costs in 24-hour cycles. Its tires, nearly 4 meters high, are designed to withstand the extreme heat generated by friction and weight. This vehicle is the centerpiece of China's strategy to dominate large-scale resource extraction, allowing the transportation of ore volumes that previously required multiple smaller units. Number 6. XCMG XGC 88000. This is the crawler crane with the highest lifting capacity on the planet. The XGC 88000 has a nominal capacity of 4,000 tons and a maximum load moment of 88,000 ton-meters. Its design includes an articulated chassis and a 3-point synchronization control system, which grants it unprecedented stability during critical load lifting. It is an indispensable tool in the petrochemical and nuclear sectors. For example, it has been used to install hydrogenation reactors weighing over 2,600 tons in a single maneuver lasting just a few hours. Its boom can extend to heights that challenge atmospheric stability, utilizing intelligent counterweights that adjust in real time according to the angle and weight of the load. Number 5. Bucket wheel excavator. China has developed its own bucket wheel excavators, BWE, through companies like Dalian Heavy Industry, adapting them for lignite mining and large-scale earth moving. Unlike conventional intermittent cycle excavators, these machines operate continuously. The front wheel features a series of buckets that scoop up the material and dump it directly onto a conveyor belt system integrated into the machine's body. These giants can measure more than 100 meters in length and are capable of processing over 10,000 cubic meters of earth per hour. Being electrical systems, they require a direct connection to mobile substations. Their efficiency allows them to remove entire layers of mining overburden in a fraction of the time that a fleet of hydraulic excavators would require. Number 4. Caterpillar D11T. The Caterpillar D11T is the global benchmark in the large bulldozer category, with an operating weight of 104 tons and a C32 engine that delivers 850 horsepower. This American machine has defined the standards for durability and power in heavy material pushing. Although it is of foreign origin, its relevance to Chinese infrastructure is historic. It has served as the benchmark for the development of the local industry. Its elevated sprocket design protects the undercarriage components from direct impacts, allowing it to operate in the most abrasive terrains. China has meticulously studied the metallurgy and hydraulics of the D11T to create domestic machines like the Shantui SD90, aiming to match its workload capacity under extreme mechanical stress conditions. Number 3. Sany SY1600E. The Sany SY1600E is one of the world's largest hydraulic excavators, powered by a fully electric drive system. Weighing 160 tons, this machine eliminates diesel dependency, utilizing a high-voltage electric motor that provides maximum torque from the very start of operation. This characteristic gives it superior breakout and digging force compared to fuel-powered variants, which is especially useful in hard rock mines. In addition to reducing polluting emissions, its maintenance is 40% cheaper due to having fewer moving parts subject to heat wear. It is equipped with large-volume buckets that can fill 100-ton trucks in just 3 or 4 movements, maximizing mine productivity. Number 2. Zoomlion ZCC3200NP. This is an ultra-heavy twin-boom crane designed specifically for the assembly of third-generation nuclear power plants. Its twin-mast configuration allows it to handle superior lateral stability, which is necessary to lift reactor containment domes weighing hundreds of tons with millimeter precision. The ZCC3200NP can operate across very wide working radii without compromising the crane's structural integrity. It features an intelligent sensor system that monitors wind gusts and ground variations in milliseconds, automatically adjusting cable tension to prevent any load sway, a critical factor in high-security infrastructure construction. Number 1. Sichuan-Tibet Railway/Weiyu Pioneer. The number 1 milestone is not a single unit, but rather the complex technological display deployed for the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, the most difficult engineering feat in human history. The centerpiece is the Weiyu Pioneer, a dual-structure hard rock tunnel boring machine, TBM, with a diameter of 10.33 meters. This machine operates at an altitude of over 3,000 meters, facing immense geological pressures and rock temperatures that reach 89 degrees Celsius due to geothermal heat. To prevent the equipment from melting, closed-cycle cooling systems and massive air conditioning are used at the excavation fronts. The project also utilizes 1,000-ton beam launcher bridges and autonomous electric trucks that operate without any loss of efficiency from the lack of oxygen. In total, this army of machines is drilling 850 kilometers of tunnels beneath the Himalayas, redefining the limits of what construction technology can achieve. What China has achieved in heavy machinery is no longer just about building larger machines. It is about changing the rules of modern engineering. In just a few decades, they went from depending on foreign technology to developing equipment capable of operating under extreme conditions, where many companies wouldn't even attempt to work. These machines are redefining mining, excavation, and the construction of gigantic infrastructures. Some can work under impossible temperatures, others are capable of moving thousands of tons of material without stopping for hours. And the most impressive part is that this seems to be just the beginning. The speed at which China is developing new industrial solutions is forcing the rest of the world to react. What previously seemed like science fiction is already operating today in real mines, tunnels, and mega constructions. Now we want to know your opinion. Which of these machines impressed you the most? Do you think China already completely dominates the global heavy industry? If you like videos about extreme engineering, technology, and futuristic mega machines, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.